Welcome to a brand new episode of Hum Tum or AI. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Ganesh Kumar Elangovan, founder, director at SupplyVantage Solutions. Good afternoon, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon, and thank you for this opportunity, Reet. So I'm doing good. Hope you're doing well.
Yes, I'm doing great, sir. Thanks for asking. So let's begin with the questionnaire and explore some key topics in our conversation. How do you envision the role of AI evolving within your industry over the next few years? And what strategic impact do you anticipate it may have on your organization?
Yeah. As you know, AI is actually creating a big disruption. It's a big disruptive technology which is already changing the way things are done. And from the supply chain perspective, there are a couple of things which I want to talk about. One is it will give competitive advantage to companies that will leverage the use of AI, because in the current scenario of geopolitical tensions and tariffs, resilience and agility is the key components in supply chain. So AI will play a key role in that. And the second aspect is automation. When it comes to the cost advantage, automation will give a lot of cost advantage to the customers, faster means of completing tasks with lesser people, and also removing the monotonous and mundane job from people. AI takes over that, will help companies. And the third important thing, what I would, pick is the predictive analysis technology, which is, making a lot of improvements and helping companies to make decisions and bringing down the errors. So this is one big advantage. So as a summary, these are three things which I see will shape the supply chain organizations across the globe.
Okay, that's great. I totally agree. It's a huge impact. It make on that industry and its supply chain and other things. But what steps do you believe companies should take to prepare their workforce for an AI-driven future? And how can we support employees in adapting to these technological changes?
Yep. See, adapting a change requires a shift in mindset, both from employees and organizations. Every organization must integrate this into their strategies to stay ahead, because change is inevitable and companies should help employees to understand it better and also allowing them to adapt to these changes. The presenting the change as a threat to a job market will create anxiety and resistance. But instead, showcasing it as an opportunity to leverage benefits can lead to a win-to-win situation for everyone. So this is the organization's way forward to help employees to adapt to the changes rather than posing it as a threat.
Okay, yes. These steps you can follow to adapt new technologies and which can help in improving the workforce for an organization. And they also get benefit through and there's a see that employees getting more and more to them, they are also in their comfortable and getting benefit also to take activities and then get solve problems. So in your perspective, which industries stand to benefit the most from the advancement of AI technologies and why?
Okay, so if you see the greatest industry that's heavily depending upon AI now is the tech industry first. And manufacturing and supply chain is also bringing in a lot of AI into the systems. And of course, the other big industry is retail and e-commerce. This is a big industry where AI is playing a huge role in automating a lot of manual works, because this is a very heavily workforce dependent industry where there are a lot of human interventions, but AI is helping this industry to bring down the workforce and help competitive advantage. Because the reason why it is helping in predictive AI is going to churn a lot of data, because it helps creating a lot of churn data, creates statistic models, it creates helps in forecasting, predicting equipment downtimes. So they also analyze risks and also, help companies to build risk mitigation strategies. So these are some areas where I see a lot of benefits AI is bringing into the system in these industries.
Yes, like I totally got a point. Like AI is playing a major role in our day-to-day lives, in our industries, in our organization, where everybody is working and employees, and it's for the anyone. Like it's for the young generation, like college-going students, or it can take to the employees in the organization. It plays a major role in helping them shaping the future, and helping the day-to-day activities, also any problem if they face, like if they want anything to translate what document or any other things if they need in day-to-day in the community time, so it helps a lot. And next I would like to know, in what ways do you see AI contributing to solving some of the major challenges currently facing the industry?
Okay, so as you've seen, there are two major types of AI. One is we call it as the generative AI, which he spoke about, where it creates contents, helps, writing contents, prepares videos. But the other piece of the AI is, called as the predictive analysis or the predictive AI. This is helping a lot in the supply chain aspects. One of that is predictive analysis, which I spoke already. Areas like demand planning, forecasting, decision making, these are all going through a lot of improvements with the help of predictive technology that the AI is bringing in. And the second one is real-time tracking, what we call in supply chain is, what's happening real time. Like when you order in Flipkart or Amazon, what you see is what happens to the order in real time. So that is bringing in transparency in the system and thereby increasing the credibility with the customers. As a customer, you will know what's happening in the order. So real-time tracking is also, putting supply chains to better heights. And again, the other key aspect that's now picking up is simulation. There are many ways those supply chain simulations are being done through AI models where they predict what is going to happen. Even right from setting up a warehouse, they do simulation models where AI models help to create, the real-time scenarios, which helps in companies to be prepared for a worst case or a best case scenario. So these are some key areas where I see AI is already contributing to the challenges that this industry is facing.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and engaging conversation. It was a truly a privilege to learn from your rich experience and inspiring journey. And I'm confident our audience will gain valuable perspectives from the insights we share.
Me too.